Picture yourself sailing across the pristine, crystal-clear waters of the ocean on a luxurious yacht. The sun is shining down on you, the wind is in your hair, and you feel like you're on top of the world. But what if you could experience all of this luxury without harming the environment? What if you could sail the seas in a yacht that was entirely self-sustaining and eco-friendly? The Tesla Super Yacht is an extraordinary invention that has revolutionized the world of boating. This incredible yacht is worth a staggering $700 million and is equipped with a hydroelectric turbine system and state-of-the-art solar panels that make it entirely self-sustaining. Say goodbye to exorbitant fuel prices and high maintenance costs, as the Super Yacht is fuel cost-free and low maintenance. Now you have more time to spend in the luxurious spa room and high-end bar area. Tesla has already revolutionized the electric vehicle market, but could they be about to do the same in the boating world? Allow us to introduce you to the Tesla Model Y Super Yacht concept, designed by Tesla fanboy and UX designer Dhruv Prasad. This stunning yacht is a perfect combination of creativity, sustainability, and futurism. The Model Y Super Yacht takes inspiration from Tesla's electric vehicles such as the Roadster and Model S. With its sleek design and resemblance to a giant squid, the yacht glides through the water effortlessly. The red and white color scheme of the yacht brings to mind a Tesla supercharger, and every inch of the boat is packed full of Tesla tech, from batteries to solar panels. One of the most impressive things about the Tesla Super Yacht is its self-sustaining capabilities. Unlike traditional yachts, this innovative vessel doesn't rely on fuel to power its engines. Instead, it uses a hydroelectric turbine system and a state-of-the-art solar panel to generate electricity. This means that the Tesla Super Yacht is entirely self-sufficient, and there are no fuel costs or emissions to worry about. The central 50,000 solar panel on the top of the ship can charge the battery even when the yacht is stationary, and the turbine underneath the yacht's hull produces hydroelectricity, propelling the ship to a maximum speed of 70 knots. This means that even when docked at a location like Monaco, the Tesla Super Yacht can replenish its battery, eliminating the need for fueling stations. Not only is the yacht self-sustaining, but it is also equipped with a handy raised platform on the ship's bow that displays the remaining battery life. If the charge is running low, the captain just needs to power up the turbine. The yacht is unlike any other super yacht in that there is no chance of being stranded out at sea, and you can relax and enjoy the trip with no worries. The top deck of the Model Y Super Yacht consists of an open-concept living area, complete with a modern bar and patented seats made of stretchable material. These seats can shrink or expand at the touch of a button, and the material can be shaped into any desired configuration, perfect for transforming the living area into a dance floor or party space. The top deck also boasts a huge television, perfect for keeping up with the latest SpaceX launch. A large roof covers the top level from stern to midsection, and aside from the solar panel, the roof is adorned with hundreds of tiny skylights, bringing in plenty of natural light. If you're looking to relax, head to the lounge area at the ship's stern. Here you'll find comfortable deck chairs and a $15,000 jacuzzi. In case of inclement weather, a large shutter door emblazoned with the iconic Tesla logo can close over the entire lounge area, turning it into a stylish jacuzzi room. The lower level of the Model Y Super Yacht is just as impressive as the top level. Inside the yacht, you'll find another open-concept living area complete with innovative tables. These tables have seats hidden inside them that can pop out with a simple touch of a button. On the starboard side of the lower deck, you'll find a $25,000 spa room, complete with massage tables, perfect for unwinding and relaxing after a long day on the water. Head over to the port side of the lower deck and you'll find a comfortable seating area and a large panoramic window, ideal for watching the sunset. The control room is located at the bow of the lower deck. This is where the captain can monitor the ship's speed and trajectory, as well as go over the travel itinerary. It's worth noting that the Tesla Model Y Super Yacht's top speed is hardly surprising, given that Tesla produces some of the fastest electric vehicles in the world. In fact, we wouldn't be shocked if the ship exceeds speeds of 70 knots to become the fastest yacht in the world. Owning a Tesla Super Yacht may seem like an unattainable dream for most of us, with a price tag of up to $700 million. Still, it represents a significant step forward in sustainable travel, and it's not the only way that Tesla is changing the way we think about transportation. Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of Tesla, is known for his innovative and forward-thinking approach to transportation. In addition to the Tesla Super Yacht, Musk has teased the possibility of an amphibious Cybertruck. He also claims that the Tesla Model S floats well enough to operate as a boat for short periods, and it can safely navigate flooded roads in a pinch. It's clear that Musk and his team at Tesla are committed to creating a sustainable future for transportation. The Tesla Super Yacht represents a significant step forward in sustainable travel, highlighting the importance of eco-friendly travel options. As we continue to strive towards more sustainable travel options, the Tesla Super Yacht is a clear indication that luxury travel doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment. It's worth taking note that the Tesla Super Yacht is not the only eco-friendly super yacht on the market. Yacht manufacturers around the world are investing billions in research and development to create sustainable super yachts. Electric super yachts are becoming more popular, with Japanese electric motor manufacturer Nidec recently installing an electric power system in a 165-foot-long wider mega yacht. Charles Kuman, the Tesla and SpaceX materials engineering chief, also recently converted his Elan GT5 yacht into a fully electric seafaring vessel, proving that the future of boating is green and sustainable. The Model Y Super Yacht is just one example of how innovative technology can be used to create more sustainable travel options. As we look to the future, it's clear that sustainable travel options are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. The Tesla Super Yacht is a symbol of innovation and progress in the boating world, and it's exciting to think about what the future holds for sustainable travel. With the continued advancements in technology and the commitment of companies like Tesla, it's only a matter of time before sustainable travel becomes the norm. The beauty of the Tesla Super Yacht is not just in its design and technological advancements, but also in the message it sends to the world. As more and more people become aware of the impact of traditional transportation on the environment, there is a growing need for sustainable travel options. The Tesla Super Yacht is an excellent example of how luxury travel can be sustainable and environmentally friendly without sacrificing style or comfort. For many, the Tesla Super Yacht may be out of reach, but that doesn't mean we can't all do our part to contribute to a more sustainable future. By choosing eco-friendly travel options such as public transportation or electric vehicles, we can all make a difference. Even small changes, such as using reusable bags or recycling, can have a significant impact on the environment. The Tesla Super Yacht is a remarkable achievement, and it's clear that Tesla is leading the way in sustainable transportation. With its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to the environment, the Tesla Super Yacht is an inspiring example of how innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. It's a shining example of what is possible when we combine creativity, technology, and a commitment to a greener future. In conclusion, the Tesla Super Yacht is an incredible invention that represents the future of boating. With its self-sustaining capabilities and innovative design, it's a symbol of progress and innovation in the boating industry. As we move towards a more sustainable future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that await us, and the Tesla Super Yacht is just the beginning. Whether you're a yachting enthusiast or simply someone who cares about the environment, the Tesla Super Yacht is an inspiring example of how innovation and sustainability can work together to create a brighter future for us all.